What is the job of a doctor? To treat patients for their well-being. What is the job of a teacher? To educate students for their happy and prosperous career. What is the job of a police? To maintain law and order in the society. Like that, every profession has certain function to do in the society. Similarly, in English language, every word has certain function to do. By listening to the next few minutes, you are going to learn the function of each word in a sentence. Let's get started. Parts of speech. Sentences, clauses and phrases are made of words. You know it. According to their nature and function. In the sentence, words are divided into 8 classes called parts of speech. Means this topic is related to the function of each word in a sentence. And there are 8 parts of speech. The first one is noun. Second, pronoun. Third, adjective. Fourth, verb. Fifth, adverb. The next one is preposition. Next, conjunction. And finally, interjection. These are all the 8 parts of speech which defines the function of each word in a sentence. The first parts of speech. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, idea or a thing. For example, India is the biggest democracy in the world. What is a noun? India, democracy, world. Means it defines the name of a person or a place. The rose smells sweet. Rose is a noun. Raju and Sonu are playing chess. In this sentence, Raju, Sonu and chess are nouns. The next parts of speech is pronoun. A word used instead of noun. It is like substitute player in cricket. It enables to avoid repeating the noun again and again. For example, Sanjay likes cricket and he is an all-rounder. So instead of Sanjay, while we are repeating that name, we use the word he. He is a pronoun. Our school is beside the railway station. Our is a pronoun. Janani is absent because she is ill. Instead of repeating the word Janani, we use the word she. She is a pronoun. The third parts of speech is adjective. Adjective. Just keep that word add in your mind. Adding extra meaning to the noun. Means which qualifies a noun and adds something to its meaning. For example, she is an intelligent girl. What type of girl she is? Intelligent. That intelligence is adding extra meaning to the girl. I have many friends in my school. How many friends? Many friends. Many is the adjective. He is eating a big ice cream. Big. The fourth part of speech is verb. Very important part of the speech. A verb is defined as a word which tells us about an action, possession or a state of being. The boy wrote a letter to his mother. Wrote defines some action. Chennai is a metropolitan city. Is state of being. It defines state of being. Is a verb. I have biscuit packet in my pocket. Have, possession. I have. Next part of speech is adverb. Adding extra meaning to the verb. Adverb is defined as a word that qualifies, that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, he finished his homework quickly. How did he finish his homework? Quickly. This quickly is an adverb which is adding extra meaning to the verb finished. Ravi spoke softly. How did Ravi speak? Softly. Generally, the adverbs ends with the suffix ly. He ran very fast. How did he run? Very fast. That very is the adverb. Next parts of speech is preposition. Preposition. Pre, before. Means these are the words placed before a noun or a pronoun. A preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun, stands in relation to something else. Relation of that noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence is done by these small words, generally preposition. For example, there is a beautiful white horse in the garden. In. The girl is fond of sweets. Of. The monkey is under a tree. Under. So, conjunction. Conjunction is defined as a word used to join. It is used to join together words, phrases and clauses. Ram and Lakshman are cousins. It is joining two words here, Ram and Lakshman. I ran fast but missed the train. Here it is joining two clauses. Okay, but though he worked hard, he could not pass. Though is a conjunction. So it is easy to remember. Conjunction means linking word. The last part of speech is interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or excitement, and they have no grammatical connection to the rest of the sentence. Oh, I have lost my bag. Oh is the separate entity that expresses sudden feeling. Alas, she is dead. Hooray, we have won the match. Here hooray is the interjection. Let's summarize. There are 8 parts of speech. What is the first one? Noun. Noun defines name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, Ravi, India, lion, mobile. Pronoun. Instead of noun, it's like substitute player. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. Adjective. Adding extra meaning to noun. Describing a noun. Beautiful, excellent, worst. Verb. Action, which defines an action, possession or state of being. Go, have, is. Adverb. Adding extra meaning to the verb. Quickly, slowly, very. Preposition, which relates noun or a pronoun to rest of a sentence, which is usually placed before a noun. In, on, at, all these words. Conjunction, which joins two words, phrases or sentences. And, or, but. Interjection, which expresses sudden and strong feeling. Wow, hooray, ouch. To get the notes for this topic in the form of a mind map, below there is a link to download. And to know how far you have understood this topic, below there is an assignment to practice. Until we meet again, don't underestimate the power of a student. Thank you.